What is going on, YouTube land? I am Chris Catalunya. Before we get into this video, go ahead and check out my Instagram, Chris Catalunya with the _ at the end. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. Fight the algorithm. I would greatly appreciate it. Right now, I am here at work here in Austin, Texas. As you can see, I was double masked because we have the greatest politicians out of the whole United States of America. But yes, I am here at work. And right now, we need to go back to San Antonio because UPS dropped off a special package, and this package has been delayed for like 2 to 3 days. A lot of my friends in Houston or Dallas have already received their package. I've been hovering on the UPS app with the tracking and whatnot. I looked at my surveillance and I saw the UPS woman drop off the package. So I'm trying to haul ass to San Antonio to open this package so I can give you this proper shoe review. Let's go. So you're probably confused. Yes, I moved from Austin, Texas back to San Antonio. I still work here in Austin, Texas. It's only about an hour commute from both cities, so it's not too bad. It's like a 60-mile split from downtown Austin to the outskirts of San Antonio. Alright, just got home. That took like 2 fucking hours. I don't see the package so long, probably took it upstairs already. Okay, Google, garage lights on. We take off our shoes in Asian households. Hey. Now, I already have some expectations for these shoes. I've talked to several people. I talked to Taylor Garybill. I talked to Naiveco Chica. I've talked to Dirty Got Soul. Talked to Timmy PT God. And a lot of the quality issues, they vary from person to person. Some people said they're good quality. Some people said the leather is ass. So I'm not going into this with like high expectations. This is a quick strike shoe. That doesn't mean like the quality is gonna be great or anything. All right, forget it. Let's get into this unboxing right quick. I got my Supreme knife right here. Let's do it. The box is kind of fucked up. You have this opening right here. You can actually see the inside of the box right there. Let me zoom in. Paper. Hey, we opened it top side. So we have the Nike SB box in the purple. We have the 2 Supreme stickers and the bubbles. So let's see. Yeah, your tissue paper that has Supreme branding all the way across. And then you have the shoe. And to be honest, this leather isn't that great, to be honest. It's kind of cheap. The Supreme Nike SB Dunk Lows, they released on March 4th, 2021, and they released at a price point of $110 USD at your taxes and your VAT just based on where you reside. Shipped out, these cost me $135. Not too bad, not too shabby. Looking on the resale market, looking at StockX, looking at GOAT, SneakerCon, these, just depending on the size that you need, are running anywhere from $900 to $1,200, which is kind of crazy. They released in 4 different colors: the royal blue, the mean green, brown, and these black that we have in hand right here. And they're reminiscent of a Supreme Nike SB Dunk High that released in 2003, in which that came out with 3 different colors: the red, the orange, and the blue ones. And they all don the gold stars on the white leather panel on the quarter panels of the shoe, and they all have that croc leather happening on the different panels of the shoe as well. Removing the shoes from the box, the left pair of shoes comes with that ball and chain hang tab done up in plastic. It says world famous Supreme in that box logo on a plastic tab. The lateral and medial sides of this shoe are identical. We have black panels going all the way around the shoe at the toe box, the lacing system, the Nike swoosh, the ankle strap. This is all done with that croc print depressed into the leather, and the quality of this leather is not very good. It's disappointing already that the croc print is not depressed very well into the leather and not defined, but the leather, it just feels very plasticky. It feels like vinyl. It just feels synthetic. And coming off a year where we had like good dunk releases, like good quality dunk releases, like the leather on the Clivers, the leather on like several other dunks just feels so good. And then you get to this shoe, like we have high expectations for Supreme and they come out with this plastic shoe. And I get it, anything that Supreme adheres their name to, people are gonna go out and buy it regardless of the quality. I mean, people did go out and buy that Supreme brick. Now let's take a look at that diamond dunk that released maybe 2 or 3 years ago. The leather, the croc leather on this shoe feels pretty good. The shoe actually feels pretty heavy in comparison to this shoe. The weight on this shoe kind of reminds me of the Crater dunks that released last year. The quarter panel of this shoe, much like its predecessors, is donning those gold stars going across, and this is printed on top of a white leather material, which actually feels a lot better than the black croc print that we have going on. Moving towards the vamp, it's done in a white leather as well with perforated holes for breathability. Moving up, we have this nylon tongue going on, whereas the reverse side of the tongue is done in a cotton build, also in white. Atop the tongue, a white woven label with the Nike logo done up in gold. The lacing system is outfitted with a gold metal Supreme lace tab at the bottom, which matches the gold stars on the quarter panel of the shoe. Now, the default set of laces are a black color, a flat shape, and a cotton build, and they do provide us with a secondary lace that is done up in a white color, flat shape, and also a cotton build. Moving to the inside of the shoe, the lining is done up in a black neoprene material, which I like. It's my favorite material because it doesn't get dirty so easily, and it is well padded on the lateral, the medial, and at the heel of the shoe. Removing the insole of the shoe, this is what we are looking at. We are looking at a red bed of fabric placed on a thin piece of gray foam. We have Supreme being spelled out towards the bottom and Nike Air, each logo on the left and right pairs of the shoe. Now, this is a Nike Zoom Air unit, so we have like a lesser firm foam in this black portion, a firmer foam in this gray, and the Zoom Air unit at the heel of the shoe. Now the Zoom Air unit, it is a plastic enclosure that is enclosing tensile fibers and pressurized air to give that impact resistance. Onto the midsole, identifying it, it is the white base of the shoe. This is employing rubber, it's employing EVA foam, and this is for comfortability and durability. The outsole of the shoe, it's done up in this black rubber material. We have the circle traction markings at the top, the grid mark at the bottom, and the Nike logo smack dab in the middle. In terms of sizing, normally I'm rocking a size 8.5 or a 9 US. 8.5 being my true to size, it definitely fits true to size. I have a little bit of space from the top of my toe to the top of the toe of the shoe box. In terms of comfortability, I really do enjoy Nike SB Dunks. I really like the feel of them, especially since they do employ that Zoom Air unit in the insole, as opposed to like your regular Nike Dunks, which don't. Overall, I thoroughly enjoyed this collaborative effort between Supreme and Nike SB on this dunk low. I love the colors that released, well, maybe not that brown one, but I definitely like the mean green, the royal blue, and this black pair. I wish Supreme would have went back to the drawing board and paid more homage to those 03 releases by releasing dunk lows in those same colorways, the red, the orange, the blue. That would have been pretty dope. Now, at the retail price point of $110, I definitely like the shoe, but I'm definitely not paying more than $500 for this shoe on the resale market. If you're paying $1,000, you're kind of crazy to me. I mean, the black croc leather on the shoe is not that great, and there's no way you're telling me that these Supreme dunk lows has better croc leather than the diamond dunks. Like, there's just no way. It's more defined on the diamond dunks, and in person it just feels better on the diamond dunk. The Supreme ones, it's kind of trash. And me putting out this shoe review, in which some of you might have found scathing, definitely this is not a bad shoe. I'm just not paying more than $500 for this shoe, and I would hate for someone to pay more than $500 for this shoe. I'm just telling you the truth. Alright guys, I think this is a good stopping point for this video. What do you think about the Supreme Nike SB Dunk Low? Good pickup, bad pickup? Were you able to copy it at retail? How much are you willing to pay on the resale market? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. Go ahead and check out my Instagram, Chris Catalunya with the underscore at the end. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. Fight the algorithm. I would greatly appreciate it, guys. Alright guys, I'm Chris Catalunya and we will check you next time. Cheers. Sige na.